Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Happy to have you. So today's look is using the Festivals palette from Juvia's Place. I got it in the mail yesterday and I could not wait. I had to crack it open and see what it could do. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching.
Alright y'all, forgive me. Your girl is having a little bit of a moment because I've waited literally 3 weeks for this palette because it was sold out, then it came back, and I finally bought it and got my hands on it. So let me have my moment. Y'all, I'm being extra, but whatever. Just calm down, girl. Calm down. Alright, so for eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You know, I'm not trying to play myself with this palette, so it's better to prime my eyes now than have patchy makeup later. So I'm just going to go in with that orange shade, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease with my favorite blending brush at the moment. And y'all, this is heavily pigmented, but you better be prepared to work. Like, you have to have a strong blend game, a very strong blend game for this eyeshadow because it'll take a minute, no lie. I edited this down to what, 20 seconds, but your girl was blending for a cool couple minutes. But whatever, to each his own, honey, to each his own. Alright, so next I'm going in with that red color, and I'm literally just working that onto my outer corner to give me just a little bit more definition and a little bit more of a gradient effect. Y'all know I'm with these gradient eye looks, so if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But yeah, now that I like what I see, I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and buff out all the harsh lines and move on. So next I'm just going to take this white shade, and I went on ahead and spritz my brush with my Smashbox primer water. And I'm literally just going in between a swipe and a dab and a swipe on the eyeshadow, and literally just working with it until I like what I see. One thing I can say is that this particular color actually kind of changes into whatever color it sits on top of. So instead of it going on just completely white, it's going on more so like a little pinkish. But I mean, I have no problem. I'm just making a, observation so y'all will know what y'all getting into if y'all get this palette. But yeah, I mean, I have no problem. So I'm just working it into my eyelid until I like what I see. There are no plans. I'm just playing with the palette per usual. That's just what I do. I just play and makeup. Y'all, I am so excited about festival season. Like Coachella, I'm definitely going out there. And then the Broccoli Festival is coming up. I mean, literally, what festivals are y'all going to? Like, I'm super excited. Like, can't wait to keep using this palette and figure out what other looks I can make out of this. But yeah, y'all, festival season is upon us. So yeah, once I like what I see, I'm just going to go ahead and dust off all the extra powder, making sure your girl doesn't look cakey or pasty. And next I'm just going to go in with my pure foundation powder per usual and just give myself a little bit more life, make sure that I look fly. That's the name of the game. I'm just trying to look fly. Alright, so taking that transition color on a flat shader brush, I'm just going to go and work that under my lower lash line, because your girl is being extra today, and I just feel like, doing the most. And then next, to be even more extra AF, I'm going to take this teal color and work it under my lower lash line as well. And I was not planning for it to turn like this bluish purple, but I mean, hey, whatever, it's just makeup. I can work with it. But yeah, one thing I've noticed about the two colors that I have worked with, like they kind of blend in with the color that it sits on, which, I mean, whatever, to each his own. It's just something to make note of, but I'm not tripping. I still look cute, so don't matter. All right, so holding my breath, I am going to try to attempt the boldest, most extra AF bold wing liner that you have ever seen with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, per usual. I mean, she never fails. She never fails. But yeah, we're going to see how bold of a wing I can get with this thing. Because I just feel extra AF today. Like, I really do. Like, the sun is out. The weather's nice. Like, what? I'm extra. But seriously, I'm still on the hunt for other eyeliners. So please continue with the suggestions. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Ooh, girl, you almost there. You almost there. All right, I think we got it. I think we got it. Now that my eyeliner is bold AF, extra AF, and popping AF, we can move on to the inner corner. So I'm just going to take that white shade and I'm just going to dab it in my inner corner until I like what I see. And then for lips, I'm trying to go for a pinky glossy nude type. So I just kind of use the bare minimum of like one of my red lipsticks and just kind of outline my lips a little bit. And then just kind of color them in and then top it off with a gloss. And for gloss, I'm just going to be using my Fenty Gloss Bomb. So I kind of have that kind of pinkish, nudish look. But I think we're almost done, y'all. I think we almost done.
Alright, so this is the completed look using the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. I must say, I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with this palette because springtime is upon us, festival season is upon us, so I'm definitely looking forward to all the looks that I can create using this palette. Per usual, if you know anything about Juvia's Place, heavily pigmented, wears well, the blendability is well, etc, etc. So I'm super excited to be using this palette in the coming months. Oh my gosh, especially for Coachella, okay? If you're there weekend too, come holla at me, all right? But yeah, that's all the time that I have, y'all. So if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I love to welcome you to the family. And also make sure that you're connecting with me on social media as well. But until my next upload, remember, y'all, that kindness doesn't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember to be kind and be you.